Welcome back. Today, we're diving deep into the world of floor cleaners, comparing 5 top-rated options from Amazon. We've lined them up from good to truly exceptional, so stick around for the best pick. Kicking off our list at number 5 is the Bissell PowerSteamer Heavy-Duty 3-in-1 Steam Mop. This versatile unit, with a 4.3-star rating from over 15,000 reviews, is a powerhouse for tackling grime, both indoors and out. Its high-temperature steam blasts away dirt, grease, and even mold, making it perfect for your garage, workshop, or even vehicle interiors. It's a true 3-in-1, transforming from an upright mop to an extended reach or handheld cleaner, all without chemicals. You get variable steam modes and a wall mount for easy storage. On the upside, it's incredibly versatile and offers chemical-free sanitization, eliminating 99.9% of germs. However, we're missing crucial price data, and the review summary is limited, so we can't make absolute claims about satisfaction. This Bissell is best for buyers who prioritize technical details and heavy-duty multi-surface steam cleaning power. But remember, we're just getting started. Moving to number 4, we have the Shark VACMOP Cordless Hard Floor Cleaner, scoring 4.4 stars from over 28,000 reviews. This cordless system uniquely combines powerful suction with spray mopping in an all-in-one disposable pad. It vacuums dry debris, then mops wet messes with its on-demand spray, and disposal is a touch-free click. Its LED headlights ensure you don't miss hidden dirt, and it's safe for all sealed hard floors, from hardwood to tile. The convenience of cordless cleaning and no-touch disposal are definite pros. The cons are similar to our last pick: missing price data and a limited review summary. This VACMOP is ideal for those seeking cordless convenience and a quick, effective clean for everyday sealed hard floor messes. We're stepping up the game with our next contender. At number 3, we feature the Bissell SpinWave Hard Floor Expert Corded Spin Mop Cleaner. With a strong 4.5-star rating from over 8,700 reviews, this mop lets you say goodbye to scrubbing on your hands and knees. Its powered spinning mop pads effortlessly clean sealed hard floors like wood, tile, and linoleum, tackling sticky spills and dried stains. You control the solution with an on-demand spray, and its lightweight design with swivel steering makes reaching under furniture a breeze. Plus, it operates with minimal noise. You get a generous 6 reusable pads and trial formulas. Its deep cleaning power without manual scrubbing and safety on various sealed floors are major advantages. Again, price data is unavailable and the review summary is limited. This SpinWave is an excellent choice for buyers who want an effortless, powerful clean on sensitive sealed floors and appreciate a quieter operation. Let's see what's next. Our runner-up at number 2 is the Bissell Steam Mop 1940, a Power Fresh Floor Steam Cleaner. This model boasts a fantastic 4.5-star rating from over 48,000 users. It provides superior steam cleaning and natural sanitization, killing 99.9% of germs without harsh chemicals. For tough spots, the flip-down easy scrubber brush handles dried on messes and grout build-up with ease. You can choose from 3 steam settings for different cleaning needs and even add scent discs for a fresh fragrance. It's designed for sealed hard floors, comes with a long 23-foot cord, and features an XL removable water tank for fewer refills. Its chemical-free sanitization and built-in scrubber are clear benefits. The familiar drawbacks are unavailable price data and a limited review summary. This PowerFresh is perfectly suited for those seeking chemical-free sanitization and effective deep cleaning on various sealed hard floors. Now, for our top pick, and finally, our top contender, the Swiffer PowerMop Multi-Surface Mop Kit, earning a solid 4.5 stars from over 43,000 reviews. The PowerMop truly redefines mopping. This all-in-one system promises a mop and bucket clean in half the time. Its multi-surface mopping pads feature over 300 scrubbing strips that dive deep into grooves and grout, locking away sticky spills and daily dirt. The pre-mixed solution breaks down messes quickly and dries fast, leaving a fresh scent that lasts for hours. It's safe for all finished floors, and its large swivel head tackles hard-to-reach places and baseboards effortlessly. The significant pros include its incredible cleaning power, time-saving design, and lasting fresh scent. As with the others, we don't have price availability or a comprehensive review summary. The Swiffer PowerMop stands out as the best overall balance in this comparison, making it ideal for those who want a powerful, fast and convenient cleaning solution for everyday floor care. It offers exceptional performance and user-friendliness, consistently delivering on its promise of a superior clean. That wraps up our detailed comparison of these 5 fantastic floor cleaners. If any of these caught your eye, you'll find Amazon affiliate links in the description below. Remember, prices and availability can change, so always check the latest details. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more in-depth reviews, and let us know your favorite in the comments.